Asana versus Airtable. Which one is the better platform? Which one should I be using? Which one's price point is better? Don't worry, I've got all of that covered. You're in the right place if you need an answer to any one of those questions. So, without further ado, let's check them out. So jumping into Asana first, you can see that it's got a pretty cool layout, and you can actually go and customize this layout. Right here in the top, there's a customize button, and you can also drag new widgets onto this homepage, so you can manage everything that you need to manage on your homepage. You can also, on the left-hand side, create projects, and you can create portfolios, and you can browse existing projects. Now this is relatively simple. All you need to do is choose a template or start from blank, create a template, give it a name, and you'll be able to jump in and fully customize it. You can change the view of your layout of your project, and you can change all the details in over here. Once you open an actual card, you can see all the details of the card specifically, and you can edit those details. Now, it's very easy to use, and what I have found is if you go to their integrations, you can actually integrate a couple apps to make your life even more easy, and you can just have everything being done in the same place. Now, moving on to Airtable is very, very different. Jumping into Asana was easy, and sort of being able to figure out how to use it was pretty straightforward. Having a look at Airtable though, it is very different. So I've got my menu on the left hand side over here, and I've created a couple workspaces, and when you go into each one of these workspaces, you'll see some projects. Now you can create a new project. All you have to do is tap on create, and you can either start with data, which basically allows you to build a workflow with a blank table, or you can start with an app. Okay, now if you go and start with data, you can see here that you'll have literally a blank template. Now, if you go back out here and you click on templates on the left hand side, you can choose from a template that is built into Airtable. Now, if you go in to their template store, you can choose one of these templates, and let's say we want to choose this event planning. We can now click on use template, and we can now customize this template. Now it is very complicated. You can see that there's a lot of options, there's a lot of things going on here, and if you're just breaking into using software like this and you're not very familiar with the software, it's going to take you a little bit of time to try and understand what's going on and how to use Airtable. Having a look at some of the pricing as well, the pricing on Asana starts at $11, and then they also offer the advanced plan, which is $25. Having a look at Airtable, though, they do offer a completely free plan, which has a fair amount of features, and their first plan, which is a team plan, is offered at $20. So there's a slight bit of a difference in terms of the amount spent here, but honestly, I believe that Airtable is not really for the beginner, and if you have the time to learn how to use Airtable, you probably will benefit. However, as a beginner, I think Asana is a much better product. You can just jump in and you can start working. Now, let us know what you think in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you. We'll see you next time. Peace out.